Have you ever been in a situation where your Samsung phone shows just one bar of signal? Or worse, no service at all? Don't worry, you are not alone. Network signal issues are one of the most common problems Samsung users face. In today's video, I will show you a powerful method to fix weak or no signal problem on your Samsung Android phone. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get back full bars and a stable connection. Let's start with some simple but effective fixes you can try right away. Number 1. Toggle airplane mode. Swipe down, tap the airplane mode icon, wait for 10 seconds and turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. Number 2. Restart your phone. Sound basic, but restarting clears temporary glitches and reset your phone's connection to the network. Number 3. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Sometimes dust or a loose SIM can cause problems. Remove your SIM, clean it gently and place it back properly. If those didn't work, let's move into your phone setting to make sure everything is set up correctly. Number 4. Check network mode. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, Network Mode. Make sure it is set to 5G, 4G or 3G auto instead of just 2G. Number 5. Manually select network operator. In Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, Network Operators. Turn off Select automatically and choose your carrier manually. Number 6. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, tap About Phone, tap Reset, tap Reset Mobile Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data settings. But it often solves stubborn signal issues. Still not working? No worries, we will try some advanced solutions. Number 7. Update your phone software. Go to Settings, Software Update, download and install. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with carriers. Number 8. Check for carrier setting update. Some updates come directly from your mobile operator. Insert the SIM, connect to Wi-Fi and see if there's a carrier update prompt. Number 9. Change preferred APN settings. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Network, Access point names. If it looks empty or incorrect, search your carrier's APN settings online and enter them manually. Number 10. Turn on Wi-Fi calling. If your mobile network struggles indoors, Wi-Fi calling lets your phone use your home internet to make calls. So no more dropped calls in the living room. Number 11. Keep your phone charged. Did you know a low battery can weaken your phone's antenna performance? A charged phone isn't just happier, it's stronger at grabbing signal. Number 12. Avoid overheating. When your device gets too hot, the hardware inside slows down, and that includes the antenna. So if your phone's baking in the sun, give it a break to cool down. Number 13. Hold your phone upright. If you are covering the antennas with your hand, your signals get blocked. So keep it upright and uncovered for the best connections. Number 14. Stay away from metal objects when making calls. Metal can interfere with signal reception. So if you are leaning on a fridge or holding your phone near a metal desk, move a little away. Number 15. And finally, use an open window indoors. Walls and roof can weaken signal, but stepping closer to a window can instantly give you a stronger connection. So that's it. 15 ways to fix network signal problem on your Samsung Android phone. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Share it with your friends who are struggling with poor signal. And don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung and Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.